I'm going to show you how to create and automatically sell digital products. So if you're tired of just talking about making money selling digital products and you want to see some real results, in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact sales funnel I use in a software called System.io that helps me to convert free leads into paying customers for my product called the Digital Income Starter Kit. I make thousands of dollars every single week selling digital products, and not only that, I also help my students do this by following the exact actionable steps that you can implement today. Now, like many of you, I started out selling digital products the wrong way. In the beginning, I was creating funnels for my clients, but I quickly realized that selling digital products was the way to go. Instead of creating funnel after funnel for each and every single client, I came up with the idea of selling templates that were already pre-made that my clients could just import into their software and make all the necessary or minor changes themselves. This enabled me to create income on autopilot without me having to work with each and every single client. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video, you can do the same thing too. And I want you to imagine waking up every single morning to sales notifications. And also, I want you to understand that this is the power of sales funnels. So today we're going to dissect how I use System.io in order to generate consistent passive income sales for my digital product called the Digital Income Starter Kit. By the way, if you want to check it out, you'll see it down below this video in the description. Now, I want you to be confident that this not only worked for me, but it can also work for you. I want you to look at Mitzpah. 2 weeks ago, she had no sales funnel, and now she's making $2,000 in sales only weeks later, selling a $7 product. And then there's also Tiffany. She launched her first digital product a few days ago, and she made 3 sales. And then also there's someone named Stephanie. She's made over $3,000 in sales using the same strategy I'm going to show you in this video. So now that we have that out of the way and you see that this actually works, let's dive into it. First, we're going to talk lead magnets. A lead magnet is basically a digital product that you can give away for free in exchange for someone's email address. But you can't just create any lead magnet. It can't be some generic PDF. It has to be something irresistible to your potential customers. Now, right now, we're inside the back office of my System.io account. And as you can see, the first thing I send people to who are interested in my digital products is a lead magnet. And this lead magnet is 100% free. Now, this lead magnet is called Digital Profit Mastery. And inside this lead magnet, I show people how to make money with digital products without the hassle of trial and error. Now, the key to having a successful lead magnet is to make sure that it solves one specific problem. I want you to think in terms of giving your customer a quick win. And it should say all those things, and they should be able to understand it and see it when they read your title. So you want to use clear, actionable titles and design it to solve a specific problem that your audience faces. And just to make sure you clearly understand this, it doesn't even really need to be designed all great. People aren't coming for all the graphics, they're coming for the value. But just look at this title. It's your first or next digital product in 30 minutes. No tech, no overwhelm. Straight in the title. So the customer understands what this digital product is for. And if it's a problem that they're having, they're going to take interest in it and they're going to go to the page to give me their email address so they can get access to it. Now, if you want any of these lead magnets that I'm showing you in today's video, you'll find them all down below this video. Just go up under the free resources section. Now, after you have your lead magnet, in order to make sure that your potential customers can get access to it, you need to set up a landing page. Now, on your landing page, you want to keep it very clean and very simple. As you can see, even if I scroll down on this landing page, there's not a lot of stuff or not a lot of fluff on it. Just the product and the information they need in order to get access to it and answer some of their questions. And when they click this button right here, it's going to open up a window. They're going to give me their name, email address, and then click this button, and then System.io, the software itself, is going to take care of everything else for me. But we'll get into that much later. Now, here is another simple digital product landing page that I created as a template. If you want to get access to this template for absolutely free, you'll find it down in the free resources section of this YouTube video. But if you're not tech savvy and you don't want to build it from scratch, here's a simple template to get you started. It just has the information, a simple graphic, and everything that they need in order to get access to this digital product. But the main takeaway is you want to keep your landing page very simple. You don't have to go all out. You don't have to put a lot of information in it because it's free. So you don't have to overly convince somebody to give you their email address if your digital product is something that they actually want and it's free. So keep it very simple. Less is more. Now, if you do get access to this free digital product template, it also comes with a video that's going to show you how to edit it. But I wanted to show you how simple it is in this video. So this is the order form on this page right here. And all you will have to do is just come over here to the button that says edit page, and it's going to take you inside of the editor. And then here, as you can see, each and everything is what we call an element. So this is a text element, an image element, and then everything else that's text is a text element. And then here's an actual order form. Now for a lead magnet, if you don't want to charge them anything for this digital product, all you will have to do is just delete the payment method. So if I just highlighted this right here and then clicked on the trash can, it's going to ask me if I want to delete it, and then you just delete it, and then it's not going to collect any payment. So that's all you would have to do. But you can also use this template to sell digital products or use it as a lead magnet landing page to collect emails and have it delivered to them on autopilot. Then at the bottom, if you have a logo, you can add your logo here, or you could just delete it altogether. And you could put your contact information, privacy policy, and of course the name of your website. Now to make any of the changes to the text at the bottom, all you have to do is click that element, and then a window is going to pop up to the left, and you can change contact to something else and put a link there. So when they click it, it'll take them. This could be your email address or another page you want to link them to contact you. You could change any of the T&Cs, any of the privacy policies to whatever link that you want if you already have one. Now I'm going to exit out of here because this template comes with a privacy page, a terms page, and even a contact us page. So if you edited this page, I'm going to click on privacy, and then you can just edit the information here as well as just clicking the element. And then whatever you want to change, you can erase or add in or take away. Add your credentials in here as needed. And then when you're done, you're just going to click on Save Changes. Now, once you have your privacy page, you'll see right here, it's going to have a link to that page. So you'll just copy that link, and then you can go back to your digital product order form, go back to that edit page, and then scroll down. And then, for example, we did this right here. So you see over here it has privacy policy, and then you would just paste that link there. And then once you're done with all of those pages, you would just click Save Changes and then exit out. Now, when you're adding in the copy and the text to your digital product landing page or your lead magnet, you want to make sure that you're using some power words that's really going to catch their eye and resonate with the people who come here. So things like profit and mastery, I'm calling out online entrepreneurs and or digital marketers, and keywords without the hassle of trial and error, because people want to learn how to do stuff, but they want to learn the easiest way possible in order to do it, and also the fastest way possible. So keywords and phrases like that is going to help sell your digital product and or get opt-ins for it. The opt-ins is what you're looking for if you're using a lead magnet. Now, once you have your landing page set up for the people opting in to get your lead magnet, the cool thing about System.io is once they opt in, it's going to redirect them to your offer page. And this is going to be your first product that they're going to be introduced to where they have the option to purchase it. And when they do, you're going to start getting sales. Now, this is an example of one of my low ticket digital products. So when they opt in for that free lead magnet that I showed you, they're going to get introduced to this first offer called the First 1K Profit Funnel. Now, this is a low-ticket digital product, so it only costs $7. It's strategically priced that way because they're coming to get a free magnet, so they may not be in the mindset of spending anything. But if the price is reasonable and they see the potential value of the digital product, they may pay a low-ticket price. So this price is only $7. Now, we normally price this at $97, but this is what's going to motivate the customer into taking action now. And now When these people opt in to purchase this digital product, they're going to be paying $7. But if you look down here where this red arrow is blinking, they can add on another digital product to their order for $27. So this is a one-time offer only, which means once they leave this page, they won't get this offer ever again. So I'm thinking in terms of what the customer may need at this particular stage in the journey of making a purchase. So they're buying a 1K funnel for only $7. So I logically think to myself, what might they need and be motivated to purchase at this stage? My order bump is one-on-one Facebook Messenger support for one whole month. 30 days. So if they get stuck at any point during this process, during the setup, during this journey, they have access to me via Facebook Messenger to ask me any questions. And because I know my audience and a lot of these people are going to be beginners, they're definitely going to want some additional help just in case they get stuck somewhere along the way. Now, if you purchase the first 1K funnel, you're going to get access to all of these sales pages I'm showing you in this video, and you won't have to create it from scratch. Now, if you don't want an order bump, you can just delete it. I like to have order bumps because an order bump could potentially increase your average order value per customer. But if you do want to have an order bump, but you don't want to do messenger help, you can change it to whatever you like. And I'm going to show you an example. Now, in this particular funnel, if you made the purchase, there's videos and courses that's going to show you how to do all of this as well. But let's go inside. Right now, I'm inside the editor itself, and I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the payment area. And as you can see right here, this is again another element right here, this entire thing. And you see the orange right here. So I can just delete it by pressing the trash can. Or if I wanted to keep the order bump, all I have to do is just change the copy. So I could change the copy up here and change the copy right here. Now notice what happens. Say if I wanted to change, yes, add to my order for $27. All I would have to do is just click this and you see the order bump name is up here. So I can change it to whatever I want by changing what I want it to say in this actual box area. And then as you change that, for example, I'm just going to remove the exclamation point and you see it goes away here. And then if I wanted to add it back, it comes back. So that's how you would change it. You don't click here and try and do it. It's going to open up this window. Now, for the bottom part where it says one time only, this is the area where you can actually change the text from right here, because this is a text element. This entire part right here is an order bump element, so it's attached to this. So when you click it, that's why you have to change it here. But in order to change the text, all you have to do is just highlight the text element area, and you can see it has that orange border around it. And then you would click again, and you can erase by pressing backspace or delete, and then add in whatever you want. Now, once you're done, all you again would have to do is just click save the changes, and then you would exit out. Now, if you get my digital product template, it doesn't have an order bump added into it, but let me show you how you can add it into your free digital product template. So inside your System.io account, you want to go into that funnel and you would just go to the order form part up here and you would click that and make sure it's highlighted, and then you're going to click on edit page. Now, right now we're inside of the editor, so I'm just going to scroll down to the payment page. Then once you come down to the payment area, over here to the left, you're going to scroll down to where it says order bump, and then you're going to long press it and you can drag it anywhere you want. I like to put it right by the payment. So if you just put it right up under there, it's going to pop up and now you have your order bump. Okay. So, and again, if you don't want the order bump and you change your mind, all you have to do is just click on the trash can, click OK, and then it's going to go away. And when you're done and you're happy with everything, again, all you got to do is click save changes and then exit out. Now, once again, all of these things that I'm showing you in my video are down below in the YouTube description, and are also pinned to the top of my comments right below this video. Now, I don't want to make this video very long, so this is going to be part 1. This funnel is incomplete, so you haven't seen all of the steps. So you want to watch the video popping up on the screen so that you can complete this strategy. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.